Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. So guys, when your phone PUK locked and the time what you will do this problem solution. Okay, let's get start this problem solution. Okay, so today in this video I'm gonna share with you how to find PUK code and this problem solution. Dear friends, I can many times this problem solution I achieve that this problem solution. Okay, so first of all you have to another one device. Okay, and then you have to type *121 *51# and call this digit. Okay, and OK press. After that you have to one message sent automatically, and then your mobile number show. Okay, and number 2 or number 3 PUK, and you have to choose number 3 and send this message, and again send this message, receive message on message, and number 2 PUK for others. Okay, PUK for others, and number 2 option choose and again send this option. And dear friends, you can see enter mobile number, send instruction, enter your mobile number, and which mobile number in your PUK code locked, this mobile number type, and after this mobile number type and send again message. And dear friends, finally you get message, actually you get receive PUK code number. So dear friends, this code actually in your mobile, and which your mobile phone PUK locked, and this PUK code apply this PUK boxes. Okay, so I can try this problem solution. So type this PUK code and input a new pin, 4-digit pin, and confirm 4-digit pin. Okay, so I can confirm 4-digit pin and press OK button, and finally my phone actually unlocked for PUK code. Okay, so dear friends, this video your helpful video, so my video actually like and my channel share this friends. Okay, thank you, bye bye.